guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Happy New Year. I cannot believe it's been so long since I last filmed, and I really apologize. I hope everyone had a lovely holiday season. I hope the many gift guides, the many Instagram reels that I posted with gift guides were helpful for y'all. Thank you guys for being here still. I'm so excited for today's video, and I have so much content planned for the new year and Amazon finds to show you, so I'm super excited to finally be back. Today we're doing my favorite video to film, no joke. It is the 22 bestsellers of the entire year of 2022. I don't even know how many Amazon videos, I don't even know how many Amazon products, but I know I placed 317 Amazon orders in 2022. So if that tells you anything, follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Starting off with number 22, it is the universal lids for pots and pans. It's only 20 bucks. You get 2 different sizes, and if you're like me and you have a bunch of pots and pans without lid, they're nice and sleek. They work so well. I put them in the dishwasher. They're one of my all-time favorite kitchen finds from Amazon. Number 21 was a big shock, and actually a big shock throughout this whole list is how many beauty, skincare, and hair products are on it, because I couldn't believe it. Number 21 is a makeup removing balm. It's such a good price for the quality of the product, how well it works. I am obsessed with it. I've tried so many makeup removing balms. They're like a solid oil and then they melt your makeup away. You just wash it off and your face is like super clean. Now that I don't have lash extensions, I've been using it quite a bit. Number 20 is a gift idea. It's something that I recommended so much during the months of December and November. It's the Sunrise alarm clock. I use mine every single day. I know by this point y'all are probably tired of hearing me rave about it, but it's a great alternative to the Hatch alarm clock. It has the same features, and if your New Year's resolution, for example, is to wake up earlier, to go to workout classes in the morning, anything like that, this is such a nice way to wake up, and it's very effective. Number 19 is a must-have in my house. We have, no joke, like probably 5 of them throughout the house. I'm staring at one right here in our bedroom. It's these mosquito lights. They catch all sorts of mosquitoes, flying bugs, anything like that. We have 3 dogs. We constantly open and shut doors, so it's been a great way, without using like pesticides and gross chemicals and things like that, to keep bugs out of our house. Comes with these little stickers that we change out about once or 2 weeks. Once every 2 weeks is what I meant to say. Can you tell I haven't filmed in a minute? And they're incredible. I cannot recommend them enough. Okay, y'all, I originally made this list, or went through my analytics, on December 20th. Then I got curious when I was doing the links for this video, and I realized that the original number 18, which was the couch cup holder, got demoted by these $30 salt and pepper mills. I don't know what happened, but here we are. So these are a save versus splurge item that I found that I'm very proud of. They're only $30. They come in so many pretty colors, and they are very similar, and in my opinion better than a very expensive alternative that's like 90 bucks. I use mine every single day. I gave them to friends for Christmas. I am obsessed with these, and I'm actually really glad to see them on this list. But what happened to the couch holder? I don't know. I found a ton of really good alternatives for more expensive items this year on Amazon. I have 2 different videos of save versus splurge. I even have a designer look for less over on my Amazon shop. So number 17, with that being said, is the tote bag alternative. Marc Jacobs has a bag that's like $200+ depending on the material, that looks literally identical. It just says Marc Jacobs at the bottom. This one doesn't. It's a very good alternative. It's not a replica, and they vary from like $25 to $40. I have the leather one, and I also have the canvas material. They're such good bags, especially for travel. They have a crossbody strap and then a handle, and also they zip up so nothing falls out. I've even been using it as kind of like a diaper bag. I put my daughter's all her stuff in there when we leave the house. Number 16 was also kind of like a gift bestsellers. It's this pack of glass cleaning cloths. I raved about it so much and I need to do it again. I'm sorry. They sell a pack with like a bunch of them. You basically use them with just water, so you don't have to buy Windex or anything like that anymore, and you just literally watch the stains go away from your mirrors. You can even like polish things with them. It's just amazing. I'm obsessed. Number 15 is a pair of earrings I wore non-stop during 2022 until I found these. Talk about them because they are way higher up on the list. But these are really pretty pearl earrings. They dangle and they're so lightweight, which is my favorite. I hate a heavy earring. I wear them literally all the time. I wore them in so many videos, so I'm sure that's why they're on this list. They're only $11. I have extremely sensitive ears, and I find a lot of Amazon jewelry doesn't hurt my ears, doesn't turn them, you know, purple or swollen or anything like that. So if you're looking for more jewelry recommendations, I highly recommend checking out my Amazon shop. Number 14 is another beauty product. I guess y'all want to see more beauty finds from me because I could not believe how many are on this list. The $6 cream bronzer that I'm literally wearing right now. It's such a great alternative for the one that Chanel sells for way more money. I was gonna say, I don't think I've ever hit pan. No, not even a little bit. I cannot believe this thing is only $6. It's such a great texture. It's not oily by any means, but it's not too dry. It blends, in my opinion, seamlessly. I am a makeup for dummies kind of person, so this is such a good find. I'm so glad I got it. Number 10 and number 9 and number 8 are all Amazon gift ideas from my gifts under $15. I'm gonna go through them pretty quick just because they were in that other bestsellers list. But number 10 is the sunglass case. It's under 20 bucks. It's such a nice quality case for all your sunglasses. I gifted it to 2 people this year. Number 9 is the 7 pairs of fuzzy socks for only $12. They remind me of Barefoot Dreams. I highly recommend it, splitting them up and making little self-care baskets for friends or cousins. And I wear mine all the time. Not right now though, because it's literally 80 degrees in January, but I digress. And number 8 was actually one of the top sellers last year, so it fell down to number 8. It is the car registration holder. It comes in a very nice case. It makes an amazing gift. Only $11. Like I said, if you want to hear and see more gift ideas and gift bestsellers, I will link those videos down below. Number 7 is another alternative to a very popular item, and when I tell you, I mean, I say this constantly, that I was shook, but I was, because I only talked about this on my Instagram, and I also talked about this on one of my gift guides. I think it's for people that have everything, and it's the UGG alternative from Amazon. I don't know what happened this year. I blame TikTok, but Uggs went viral. Like, they were so popular, everyone wanted them, and specifically the platform ones and the slippers that are also kind of a platform. They're great. I've been wearing them since the day I got them. I think they're such a good alternative, especially if you live somewhere kind of like me, where it's only really cold for a few months out of the year. Not even that, because like I said, it's 80 degrees today, and you don't want to splurge on a pair of shoes that you're barely gonna wear. I highly suggest the Amazon ones. They have so many pretty colors. Okay, here are my earrings that I was talking about. The prettiest, most dangly, perfect earrings. They're like a nice statement, but you could wear them every single day. Also, this ring is from Amazon. It's like Cartier vibes, but anyway, $11. I wore them so much this year. Literally, this wasn't even planned to be wearing them right now, but like I said, if you're looking for jewelry recommendations, definitely check out my Amazon storefront, the jewelry page. I have so many good ones that I've personally tried and wear a ton. Number 5 is the beauty sponge set that you get 5 sponges, all different kinds, for only $9. I thought that was the perfect little stocking stuffer or gift. It came in such a cute box. But y'all, I personally use those beauty blenders, or not beauty blenders, beauty sponges. And when I tell you I've never purchased a beauty blender again, they're softer, they're squishy, they blend everything like a dream. It's really what I use to blend out that bronzer. You don't need to spend $20 on one beauty sponge, and I will die on that hill. So if you're looking for one, you want to try new ones, highly recommend. You don't need to spend $20 on a beauty sponge. Say it with me. Thank you. Number 4 is the Tangle Teezer hairbrush. It has been on this list consistently. I think last year it was also top 5. I talked about this recently and I've had it for like a month now, and the amount of hair this thing picks up, it's really not stunning, is what I'm trying to say. So I am a Tangle Teezer stan through and through. Can I speak English? Obviously no. And we're getting to the unhinged part. You see, it happens in every dang bestsellers video. Whatever. Y'all, I will never buy a single brush again. Like, nothing else will compare. And I'm glad I tried that one just so I could review it for y'all. And it might work for a certain type of hair. It's like 14 to 20 bucks. You don't need to spend 36 on that hairbrush. And you will never go back to the wet or any other brush ever again. It's easy to clean. It doesn't blow your hair. It doesn't accumulate oil or particles. You can easily run it under the sink and wash it. I will die on this hill. There's different ones. This one is the one for dry hair and it enhances shine. The other ones, there's like curly hair, a smaller size, a travel size. I don't care which one you use, but try it and then let me know. Because second year in a row in the top 5 bestsellers for the entire year, after hundreds of Amazon products and recommendations, should tell you something. Number 3, I was fully expecting to be number 1, at least number 2. But when I tell you I was not expecting number 1 and 2 to be what they are, I wasn't. But anyway, I digress. Number 3 is the Laser Leveler. You see this hot mess behind me? I don't really want to talk about it too much because it's ugly. My husband took some creative liberties, is what I'm trying to say. But this whole thing should be sponsored by that Laser Leveler because it has saved my marriage. That's all you need to know. It's $14. Let's start there. I'm pretty sure a lot of husbands and people got it on their stocking because of me, because number 3 for the entire year, I literally cannot believe that. I cannot ever imagine hanging something, leveling something without that thing. I just can't. And neither can my husband, which is why he decided to do this. We will talk about that. We will talk about that in a video soon. Okay, number 2 and number 1 should and will go hand in hand. And I will preface this by saying, I don't know how y'all take hair recommendations from me. Do you see what's going on here? This bird's nest. The number 2 bestseller is this anti-frizz hair product. It's like $7. It comes in like this squeezy tube and it's just like oily consistency but thicker, and you put it on your wet hair and then you straighten it and you style it. The difference is night and day, especially if you have curly, damaged hair. But even if you don't and you have like super nice hair, I'm sure it will work wonders for you too. On that note, the number 1 bestseller is the Olaplex dupe. Kind of like the same idea as Olaplex. It's like a protein treatment, so it's supposed to help, and stay with me because I don't know the science of this, but like it's supposed to help your strands and the bonds in your strands close up, so it helps with damage and split ends and breakage and things like that. I've tried Olaplex. I have nothing bad to say about it. I think it's an amazing product, but if you don't have the money to spend $20 on like a teeny tiny bottle of Olaplex every so often, and you want to try something similar, this one is $6, and I think that's why it's a number 1 bestseller for the year. Like, I've seen such a change in my hair, and that's like one of my top resolutions of the year. I just have to use heat on my hair. It's the same issue I have wearing hair extensions. Like, mistreat my hair a lot is what you need to know, and like it doesn't grow. I don't like haircuts, blah blah. So these products like Olaplex, like this protein treatment, are the only things that kind of help. Kind of, because we cannot work miracles here. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I highly recommend. I've ordered it like, I don't know, 5 times because it really does last me so much longer than Olaplex. I prefer the consistency of this one way more. Anyway, try it. That's it. That was the number 1. Y'all, I am not okay. Like, real talk, I forgot how to film. Not that I ever knew how to film. How did I get myself into doing this when I can barely speak English? Oh my god, I cannot speak English anymore. SOS. So guys, those are the 22 best-selling products from all my Amazon videos from 2022. I didn't want to get too emotional at first because, you know, people probably watch for like 5 minutes and they're like, dang, this girl is annoying. But I know if you made it this far, you're probably one of like my people, my besties, as I like to call y'all, like my internet besties, the ones that watch my vlogs and are always here for me. So without crying, because I'm on my period, I have no words. I truly have no words. I'm sure I will do a vlog and I will cry then, but I just wanted to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for all the love, all the support. I don't even care if you watch my videos and I don't know, you never click an Amazon link and you never buy anything I recommend. I don't care. You literally don't have to. But the fact that y'all are here, that y'all have commented, that y'all have seen Olivia grow, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. No words. It just means the world to me. I am so thankful that year after year I get to sit here by myself and stumble and struggle to speak English. That y'all keep coming back and that y'all trust my gift guides and recommendations, and I have no words. So if you've been here for 5 minutes, or if you've been here for 3 years or 4 years and you check up on me and you watch my stories of Olivia and you trust my recommendations and you give me advice, I don't just do YouTube videos to recommend stuff to you and to show out products or anything like that. This is truly like one of my favorite things to do because I feel like I have this community here that really trusts me, and I trust y'all and I love y'all more than anything. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for another year. Thank you for everything, and I cannot wait to create content and more reviews and more good stuff for y'all this year because I wouldn't be here without y'all, literally. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.